go to my, as you can see, I work here in the temp.y, and I imported constant. So what is constant? What is import? Import, we are importing like Java, a package. Here in Python terminology, we call it module. So I import it. So everything within this model, so I can access everything here within my program. So that's what I did here. I printed the constant.py. And if I, for example, wanted to print the h, so I can go back here and write the h. Okay. Let me clear the output and run the code again. So I got the values. Here is here. Okay. So simple operations on string. We can define a string as other programming language did. I can define hi, hello there. I can define name, and I can define a message like hi plus name. This is the hi, hello there. So there's simple things. So let us see another example. So I can also concatenate two variable, okay? Or I can use the str. So I can, as the next example, as you can see here, x is equal to 1. Now, if I want to use it as a string, so I need to wrap it with the str function. Talk about this code. Please, I want you to see how I print now. So let me delete this. So as you can see, there is a string, comma, x, and so on. Okay, other way that I can print in this way. Let's say, okay, let me delete this and this. Let us say that I want to type the x value with x equal 1. So what I need to do is to start. This is a handy way. So I start with f, and I quote x equal, and inside here I put x, and I can run this code. As you can see, I got the following value with a very handy message. Okay, so you can also use this this way. Okay, so this is the subject that we are going to just give it some 1 minute. So we call it designing flexible output. This is what I have shown you now. So let us say that x equal to 5, y equal to 10. So I can print with the f, as you can see. I start with f. F is a kind of control character that issue Python to look at the following string as a controlled string, which I controlled using these brackets. Okay, so for example here, the first one, using the first one, I will get x equal 5 and y equal 10. So please, this with this demo, you can also practice tomorrow maybe, or in your free time. So this is screen. Okay, so I can print with single quotes, with double quotes. I can, this is, will give me, let me delete this, new line for a new line. And I can print something like that. Let me delete here. So if I run this code, you can see here that I type hello and I leave one free line, and then when I type welcome to, and I issue that this print end with London, so I can see the word here. I can change it to, sometimes I have a problem printing symbols that are conflict with the quotes here. So I need before it to put this character, so I got it, okay? Okay, that's, if I want in my program to have a string based in multiple line, so this is the way that I do that. So I type here the three symbols and end with that, and I can break the line, and I can print. You can see that. Okay, so this is the output, okay? Another example is the same, this example, but I can use this symbol, okay? The same things. So you are free to use, okay? What about input? There is an input. Input help us to practice a lot of things. To run algorithms and to check as other programming language. So I can print a message while I am using the input. So let us see an example. This is the code, okay? And please recall here, there is a problem here, will be a problem. So now I will clear the output. The output in Visual Studio Code, don't forget this tip. The output in Visual Studio Code here is a read-only. So if I try to run the code, and I can, as you can see, so the input print for me type anything. So as I came here to type 7, so it says cannot edit, okay, cannot edit a read-only editor. So how can I do, how can I process that? So first, if I just run the program, I need to stop it. So I go stop code run. So I stop it now. And now, in those cases that I need the input, so there is two ways to do that. The simple way is to right-click and to choose run code in console. I need to find that. Run Python file in terminal. Please look at this option. So as I run it, so it's open an automatic terminal. And now I can type, let us say 8. And okay, I will, as you can see, so this is a text, okay? So the 8 was the text, and I did 5 times the text, as you can see. So Python actually, let me show you something. So I can print in Python x, let's say that x is equal to hello. And I can print 5 times x. Now when I run, I will get 5 times hello. So this is a handy way in Python. Very simple. You can't get it in other programming language. So this is the code here. If I wanted to use that input not as a string, so I need to cast it, as we see before. So within this input, so I cast it with the data type I want, then I can print it.